Remember to subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell icon to never miss an update from First Cry Parenting.
Tips for easy labor and delivery. Childbirth is an important milestone in a mother's life. The mother must be calm and free of stress for effortless labor and normal delivery of the baby. Here are a few simple tips that can help during the period of pregnancy and labor. Number 1. Have dates. Eating around 60 to 80 grams of dates every day around a month before the due date has been proven to be beneficial during labor. This is because dates have a chemical compound similar to oxytocin, the hormone that causes contractions. Number 2. Do squats daily. Squats is the most beneficial exercise for every woman preparing for a vaginal delivery close to her due date. The best way to do squats is by using a medicine ball, keeping it between the lower back and the wall, and rotating the toes and knees as wide apart as possible. Number 3. Sleep adequately and regularly. Only a well and adequately rested person can seamlessly adapt to such a stressful and important event like labor. An expecting mother should sleep at least 7 hours or more every day for a faster and smoother labor experience. Number 4. Consider water birth. This can be an effective birthing technique as water can soothe the expecting mother during labor. Water is also supposed to calm tense muscles and help dilate the cervix, thus helping with the delivery. Number 5. Stay upright during labor. Rather than lying down and trying to push during labor, it is better to stay upright on the bed and push. This is because gravity can be advantageous to the mother and the baby as it can help the baby get in the right position for delivery. Number 6. Healthy snacking. When you're in the early stages of labor, you may feel hungry, and you can eat light snacks to curb your hunger pangs. You can eat fruits like bananas or apples and other snacks like yogurt, smoothies, etc., to boost your energy during labor. Number 7. Take a childbirth class. It is always good to be prepared for the moment of childbirth well in advance to make sure everything goes according to the plan. A childbirth class also relieves the pressure faced by expecting parents and helps the partners or caretakers of pregnant women be prepared for everything. Number 8. Practice breathing techniques. Breathing helps the woman in labor to tolerate the pain and also helps in relaxing her. It can also be useful in setting rhythmic contractions and help the woman push better and more efficiently. Following these easy tips can help in making the childbirth experience simpler for expecting parents and bring out their precious ones quicker into this world.